Want to translate entire documents instantly or polish your writing so it sounds completely natural and professional? Today, we're looking at DeepL, an AI-first language platform that has become a go-to tool for global communication. Whether you need to translate a PDF, write a business email, or even translate live speech, DeepL uses specialized AI models trained by language experts to deliver incredibly accurate results. Let's start with document translation. Instead of copying and pasting text paragraph by paragraph, DeepL lets you simply drag and drop your files directly into the translator. It supports multiple file types, making it incredibly easy to translate entire presentations or reports while keeping your original formatting intact. But DeepL isn't just for translation. With their DeepL Write tool, you can refine your writing, adjust your tone, and fix grammatical issues on the fly. Plus, if you work in a specialized industry like law, finance, or medicine, you can set up custom glossaries with up to 30,000 entries to ensure your specific terminology is always translated correctly. They've also expanded into real-time voice translation, which is perfect for international meetings. Now, because we want to be completely transparent, we don't have a database of external user reviews to share today. However, DeepL's official metrics show that businesses experience up to an 86% improvement in document translation efficiency. On the downside, while the AI is highly sophisticated, highly creative or deeply cultural nuances can still occasionally require a human touch, and access to advanced enterprise features like their full API or unlimited translation requires a paid subscription. Overall, if you want fast, secure, and highly accurate translations that go way beyond basic tools, DeepL is absolutely worth trying. You can start using their translator for free right now at deepl.com or download their desktop app to integrate it directly into your workflow. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use DeepL.